In a PowerPoint chart, data labels are used to display various types of information. To quickly identify data series in a chart, you can add data labels to the data points of the chart. And by default, the data labels are linked to the values on the worksheet, and they also update automatically when changes are made to these values. But if you're currently facing this problem, where a data label in a graph will wrap the percentage sign to the next line, we will show a quick solution that you can try in this video tutorial. First, you have to launch Microsoft PowerPoint and open the presentation you're having problem with. Note that this issue is caused by the Wrap Text and Shape option in the Format Data Labels menu. Hence, we will double-click the data label, and doing this will open the Format Data Labels menu on the right. Now select the size in the Properties tab, then select Alignment. And at the bottom of the right pane, we need to uncheck the Wrap Text and Shape box. By clicking this feature, this will show all the information in a cell. Now, the percentage sign will no longer appear on the next line in your chart in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.